1, 2. Okay guys, so today I'm here with a lot of people on the fishing scene. JC, Ryan Angler, actually she wear mask, this way. Johan, Keith at the back. So we're gonna do a little prawning challenge. Everyone is gonna donate one lure into a pouch, and then after that, I'm gonna lose! And then after that, we'll see who catches the most prawn, and the person who catches the most prawn will win all the lures.
That's not very nice. We hook some more.
Yeah, gamma katsu hook. Okay, so this is my donation. My injure keys. Okay, put it in.
And this is from me.
I'm a scarecrow from Jared. Worth $15. Okay.
Johan, where's the lure? The car. That's not very nice. You jump in the water. Go take it.
Hey, you go take. Like that, nice. Okay. Keith Chua.
Hey, how come can you?
Probably the most noob prawner among us.
Why they didn't tell me can bring use one?
Well, what's your lure?
Mine brand new.
Oh no.
Wow, cannot top my yellow.
Hey, I say can use. I
bring my jig.
Okay lah, give you brand new
Hey,
lah.
inside scarecrow And
okay, bring somewhere.
Angel keys. But the scarecrow. Okay.
See. This one collecting that now.
Okay, later you collect more. This one.
Later collect from me.
Okay, Johan will now put his lure inside. Got one angel keys, one scarecrow, and then one Rapala lure. Okay guys, so today we're trying out this Jiak bait by one of my good friends. So he's selling it over here at ATC Prawning, so if you want to try, you can just try. There's many flavors. There's pandan flavor, mango flavor, bloodhound flavor, and this is strawberry flavor. So we're just gonna spread out. Everybody take one off. Okay, so nice. It's already like pre-chopped up already, but it can be even smaller. So you want to cut your bait into really small pieces, like something like this. Okay, and then you want to dump it all in the box here. Okay, it's best to use the scissors because as you can see I cut it until like damn shit. Okay, once you cut it already, so I think this is like a good enough amount for now. So this is like I don't know what flavor is that. I think brine shrimp flavor or something. Put it in. Okay. Small little, just a little bit will do. Small amount will do only. Okay. Like that. Feel the tip. Once you feel the tip of the bait, something like that. That's how you use it. Jared is on to his first prawn. Shit. Okay, Ryan, the first prawn of the day. Why asking you to catch a prawn out of the prawn shirt. Okay guys, here's the update. I'm competing for not being the last place. Second prawn of the day. Okay, Johan, how many?
4 or 5 already, forget.
Okay, Keith? 4. Ryan? 7. Ryan, how many? Keith only caught 2. Oh, Keith caught 2 only. Legit. Okay guys, update. It is 10:08 and I've been lucky. I've been really lucky. Got quite a few prawns just now. Got the honey spot over there. Ryan, how many prawns are you at?
8.
How many?
No, lose count. Too many already.
Wow. Okay, it is 10:36. 30 more minutes and it'll be the end of the prawning session. We don't know who's in the lead now. It's either Ryan, me, Keith or Johan. It's a really close match. Jared is also sneakily closing up. I think there's 8 prawns. It's gonna be a close one. Alright guys, number 11. Look at this monster. Last one for Ryan. Okay, let's go to the side and count the prawns. Alright, it's over. Yay, everybody. Wow. Okay, wait for Johan, then we count one by one. Okay, start with the weigh-in, start with Jared. Okay. 1. Oi, hello. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, not bad eh.
9, not bad.
Ryan Angler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Not even half yet.
6, 7,
11
10, 11.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Next
Two
one.
next. Keith may be close.
Keith need the biggest
1, 2,
This one got claw.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 for Keith. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13.
那是多把手，我可以看你赢你，最少帮你。Yes. I love him.
Keith is mini bet with Johan.
We are side bet, cannot say we are side bet.
Don't laugh at Johan. Nice try. Good try. Okay, but the lures. Okay, where's the lures? I want the lures, but it's damn paiseh because I made this video and I want the lures. So this will be auctioned out for charity or maybe giveaway, but probably charity. Alright. Okay, so I didn't manage to catch up with Rahim and also pass him the lures to do the live auction, so I still have the lures with me, and I thought that the best way to do this is to just give it away to you. So now I wouldn't say this is like a 10,000 subscriber giveaway, but you can consider it as that. I might not be doing one as well because I don't know about giveaways, you know, I'm not a big fan of giveaways. Number one, they take a lot of time to do. It's not because I don't want to spend money on lures, but they take a lot of time to do, and I feel that creating an epic video like the Golden Snapper video where everyone can enjoy something like that is much better. Yeah, the Golden Snapper video, that was kind of like our 10,000 subscriber special. But yeah, moving on to the giveaway, I'm gonna cut the bullshit and alright, I'll show you what you can win first before I tell you how you can win it. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the less appetizing stuff. So we did contribute some used lures in this compilation. Now this is a I'm a Scarecrow. It's probably around 20 to 30 bucks brand new. But even if it's used, although it's a one-eye Jiak, I would still say that this lure is worth around $15 or I'm a Scarecrow. We have a Maria Inja Kiss, very popular lure, brand new. It costs around $15 to $20 and yeah. Now, because I felt that my contribution was not really enough, I decided to contribute another 3 funny jigs. So these are jigs that Jaren makes, done by FCU Fishing and Dabom. I purchased quite a few of them and I'm gonna give away some together. This is worth around $20 to $30 as well. They are made out of tungsten and are really effective for light shore jigging and even freshwater fishing as well. Okay, so adding on to my contribution, I'll also be giving away a Loca Tenia. So this is a 70-gram Loca Tenia. So you see here, we really have a wide variety of stuff to use: freshwater, saltwater, anywhere. Alright, so this is Johan's contribution. It's a brand new Rapala Shad Wrap. Shad Wrap SR7, good for Pandan Reservoir, or I think this size could even be used for cranking groupers. I think I'm not an expert at cranking groupers, probably have to ask Ryan. Ryan's contribution, here's a Zerek Chili Padi tungsten jig, also quite a pricey jig because it's tungsten, and yeah, really nice color as well. 28 grams, perfect for local, offshore, even shore jigging. Okay, so this is contributed by Keith. It's a Bone Hoverjet 100F, a locally made lure, dual function, and it's also worth around $20. So over here we really have quite a hefty prize for one lucky winner, and all you have to do to win it, now it might sound like a lot, but you're basically spending about 5 minutes to do it, and and you can stand a chance to win around $80 worth of lures. Alright, so all you have to do to win these lures is to follow their Instagrams here. They all make great fishing content, so by following them you could see their awesome content as well. So make sure you follow them. Make sure you follow Facepalm Fishing as well. Do take a screenshot of this video and just share it on your Instagram story, tag us, and just send us a DM. Now send us a DM saying that I want to participate and I've done all the necessary stuff already, and then we'll acknowledge you and we'll do a draw next week, Tuesday. So you know, if we see that you didn't do any of the stuff, we won't count you in. So just make sure you followed all of them and send us a DM. Remember, send us a DM saying that you want to participate in the prawning competition giveaway. Right? And do make sure to check out Jiak Prawning as well. He make awesome baits, and if you're there prawning at ATC, just try it, okay? Because it's really effective, and we were prawning for like 1 or 2 hours. So, and we suck at prawning, so you know, I think we did pretty good lah. And yeah, that's about it. See you guys next time. I'm so sorry for not uploading a video last week. I'm super tired from school and everything, so I took a short break. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.